Hello, beautiful people. It's Bryony. I just wanted to kind of drop something into the space in and around what's happening in the world right now. I want to remind you that your nervous system is going to be having all sorts of responses to what's happening in the world. It's normal. It's appropriate. And it's really important right now that you slow things down and that you centralize as much of yourself as you can in present moment. So doing things that bring you into presence, that bring you joy. So creative things, being out in nature, being with loved ones, having a beautiful meal, breathing, meditating, practicing, doing nervous system support work, slowing it right down and taking it step by step is all that you can really do in this space right now to know how to support your system in how it's responding and how to respond to your system appropriately with how it is, how it's behaving, in what it's doing right now in response to the current global situation that will increase. It will increase. Slow it down. Be present. If you're needing some nervous system support, then I have the daily route. That is a daily email that comes out just with small, simple practices to keep you in connection with your body and your nervous system, as well as if you're needing something a little bit more deeper and more personalized, then book in a 20-minute clarity session and I can discuss with you. We can go through how my work can support you, particularly at this time. I've got a lot of free resources on my website at www.thesomatherapycollective.com. Follow me TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, where I post daily, again, in and around nervous system support, matrilineal repair, as well as grief and rage alchemy and trauma work. I will be releasing soon ways you can work with me in group to work on some of those things. That's super cost effective and also creates a really great community space and foundation for working with what's happening in your body and meeting these times. So keep an eye out. That will be released really soon. And just anchor and ground and slow it down.